job site today. We're going to be building a pad for the client to be able to store his pool equipment. Essentially this one right here, except we're going to be building it here so there's no, obviously it's not harder when somebody comes here to inspect this, so we want to give some room obviously. So we're going to get started, train this out, and pour the concrete today, guys, so stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's Steve.
Jake.
FastRenovations.ca. Real quick, as you can see, the neighbor already has their pad poured for their pool equipment. That's our job here today. We're just finishing up the framing, and you can see how we've done it. We've staked it all out. Everything's blocked and braced correctly. And now we are going to put in the wire mesh, wire it all together, get ready, and start pouring some concrete. Okay, Jake's getting ready to cut this mesh here. This is a 6x6 grid. So as you can see at this point, Jake's finished drilling out the holes. We've PL'd, used the construction grade PL premium glue and squirted in the holes first. And then we've designed with the grid to go into the foundation. Now what that's gonna do is keep this pad, unlike the neighbors, the gravel's washing out from underneath and the pad's starting to sink. This pad's not gonna move in the cold, in the winter, in the hot, in the summer, because it's gonna be connected to the foundation of the house. You're on, bro.
It's Jake.
Steve.
Fast Renovations, GTA Property Partners. It's 1 o'clock. We finished obviously pouring everything and setting it all up nicely. Now we just gotta let it dry. It'll be rock solid in a few hours. And we come back tomorrow and we take the wood off the frame essentially. So stay tuned, guys, and yeah. What's up, guys? It's Jake.
Steve.
Fast Renovations, GTA Property Partners. So today is the second day. We came off and stripped the form. So obviously this is the finished product here. We slated the gravel nicely, so everything's going to be going that way. And obviously Steve designed it on a way where it's slanted downwards. So if water does come down, it's going to be coming off. And it's obviously mounted to the structure of the house as opposed to this one here. This one's already sagging and falling apart, and we don't want that, guys. So stay tuned for the next project.